The day before we painted nano eyelashes. We'll draw from the right eye. Draw 2 layers of art. Draw a layer of the lower eye contour. Draw a parenthesis inside the art. Like her eyes. 2 eyelids and eyebrows to more curves. Remember, the right part is not fully drawn. Then start drawing the left eye. Start drawing from the middle of the eyelashes. Because the left side is blocked, the roof blocks a small hanging. The eyelids and eyebrows are the same, half drawn. She drew a little dot on her nose. Draw a small arc on the mouth. Chin position is determined. Contour of cheeks slowly made. Then start to draw the bangs. Draw the left eye halfway through. Connect it all. A lot of netizens drew this. It started to get annoying. Why can't I always paint? Maybe after the upper part of the skull is identified. A mask on the right, slowly draw enough. The mask is a slightly difficult proportional mouth. I also painted twice before finishing eyes of the mask. It's about the size of a character's eye. After drawing the longest hair on both sides, he started making his ears layer by layer. So we drew 2 dumplings, and we put 2 Ino's figures on the sides, according to Ennis. Her circle is also relatively simple. Just a few lines, you can draw it completely. She's got to watch her hair carefully. Next, we're going to start transmitting souls. I love you, I love you.